Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your device supports live text and is running iOS 15 or later. This feature does the heavy lifting for copying text from images. Once confirmed, go to Settings, Open Camera, and turn on live text so the camera and photos can detect text. Make sure photo syncing is active in iCloud if you want edits available across devices. Doing this now lets you capture text directly and paste it into any editor without extra apps or manual typing. Next, you capture or open an image containing text. Clarity matters, so steady the phone and get a readable shot. Once the image appears, tap the live text icon in the corner or press and hold any highlighted text to select words or whole blocks. You can tap Copy to place text on the clipboard, or Edit then select All if you need the full passage. Make sure to preview the selection, because OCR can miss punctuation. Adjust selection before pasting into your target app. Finally, open the app where you want the text and paste from the clipboard. You can immediately edit punctuation, line breaks, or capitalization using the keyboard. Once done, save or send the edited text. If OCR produced mistakes, retake the photo with better lighting or angle and repeat selection. Small manual fixes are quick. If live text stops working, make sure iOS is updated, toggle the live text setting off and on, and reboot the iPhone to clear temporary issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.